This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Plug the watch in until it reaches about 80%. Once done, install the Flow Companion app on your phone and enable Bluetooth and location permissions so pairing can complete. Next, power on the watch. You'll pick your language and immediately choose the Only Way mode. This locks the watch to the flowing time experiment. Finally, open the app and tap pair. Make sure the code on screen matches the watch before you confirm. You now calibrate the flow. Start the 5-minute routine in settings and follow the prompts while keeping the watch stationary. Once calibrated, make adjustments to the flow rate slider. Lower values smooth transitions, higher values increase apparent time drift. Choose what matches your experiment. Then customize gesture controls. Tap for snapshot, swipe for timeline, long press to pause. Also set sync frequency with the phone, 1 minute for precision, 5 or 15 for battery savings, so your data stays aligned. You're ready to run a session. Tap Start on the watch and monitor metrics live on the wrist or phone dashboard. During the run, you can pause with a long press. When finished, press Save to store the session and export CSV or share a time-lapse from the app within 24 hours. Finally, keep firmware updated for fixes. Troubleshooting tip. If you see drift greater than 3%, reboot the watch first. If that fails, reinstall the app and apply any firmware updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.